Hello everybody, welcome to Forging Ahead with Headlam. How wanna do? Guess what today is? Guess. Do you know what today is? It's my anniversary. 8 years. 8 years. Wow. I don't know where the time gone. I was surprised at work with a nice gift. I was feeling a bit down, and then like somebody just delivered a gift from my husband and I had a better day than I was having. But anyway, I'm so happy that I am celebrating 8 years. I woke up to a nice, lovely breakfast, should I call it that, done by our own resident children chefs, Mackenzie and Jalen, and we had plastic corn and plastic veggies, right? Table setting for two. Yes, they had it nicely decorated and ready for mommy and daddy. Yeah, look at it. I want to encourage somebody, believe in yourself. Believe in your abilities. Because you know that we always say with God all things are possible, right? And we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Yes. So, Sunday, I was asked to do an item at church. And I don't know why I think the item have to be a song. Anyways, it could have been a poem. It could have been a dance. Well, not a Shen's Ravers dance, but it could have been a spiritual dance. But I chose to do a song. So, it was my time now to go up, and I was called, introduced. I went up there and I was very confident. I was like, all right, ready now, time for sing. So anyway, me tune up my voice box now, because I think say, yeah, me ready, because remember, me I practice in a shower now, me I practice in my house, me I practice in a closed door now, and me I say, yeah, ready now, ready, come me tune up my voice now, I'm ready. I go up there and take the mic, Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, I come out now. Me open up my mouth now to make a joyful noise, and guess what come out? That. My life he'll surely guide. I am But guess what? I never make that in the me just keep singing like me not confidence me have enough. Me I sing with confidence up there. So me not care if the voice does me I make a joyful noise unto the Lord. Right? Me never sing it for myself. Me I sing it because me the passionate about me I sing. Right? So you see, the same way I was singing with confidence and conviction is the same way I want you to keep going at your business. Whatever your business idea is, whatever your business is, if you have started it, if you have it in your mind, just keep pushing. You can get through. You will get through. You know, say, yeah, God pick me. God have your back always. So no bother worry about the naysayers, the voices, whether externally or internally in your head. Just know that if you have a business plan or an idea or basically something that you want to do to make yourself better in life, just keep going, keep at it. You might never know where your dreams and aspirations take you in this life. Trust me. Look at Colonel Sanders. He never knew that in his old age he would have established a successful restaurant. He never knew that his restaurant would basically be all over the world. you know. And I'm sure he started young, trying to get this restaurant business off the ground, but it never worked until it was really time, his time. So you don't know when it's your time. So just start, and God will see you through the rest of the way. Don't worry, don't fret, just be confident in your abilities and the strength that God will give you and has been giving you. If you reach this far, you have gotten strength from God. So be confident in everything that you do. With that said, I'm going to tell you about 5 websites, 5 that you can get onto and make passive income. And passive income means income that you generate while you're sleeping, while you're doing something else. You don't have to do physical work. So you probably do the work one time, and then that creates income for you even when you're not physically there to do it again, right? So the first one is teespring.com. So this is a website that you can create your own personalized t-shirts. So it's a print-on-demand store. So they have like items like t-shirts, mugs. I'm talking about doing t-shirts right now. So you can create your design on Canva and upload it to teespring.com. So Teespring does the work for you. So even though you create your design, you upload it, they actually do the printing on the t-shirts and they distribute it to your clients or your customers. They will also get a portion of what you earn. So it's free to sign up on Teespring. All you need to do, go in, put in your email and whatever else they ask you for, and you sign up for free. Now, people love Jamaica, brand Jamaica. It's a no-brainer, right? If you live in Jamaica, you don't have to live in Jamaica, because a lot of people watching this don't live in Jamaica, but brand Jamaica is big right now. You could probably create one of the little slangs that are out there now and put it on your t-shirt. Like, for example, I'm not saying that you should do this because I don't know if they have copyright their slang. But you have this thing where they talk about catch it at a lie. So probably you could put something like that on a t-shirt, catch it at a lie, or some other popular logo that people would gravitate to if they see it on a website. So teespring.com is where you can go to get your logos on your t-shirt to start your t-shirt business. So the second website that you can make passive income on is InVideo. So you can create content on InVideo easy, right? Just log in, sign up, and you will have over 3,000 template videos that you can work from. So it's kind of like Canva, but it's more for videos, right? Here's what you can do. You can create videos for people who want to upload to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, people who are trying to promote their products. You could be that person that advertises your service as a video editor, video creator, whatever it is you want to call yourself. But that is a business that you could start and use InVideo to help you with video footage for your business. So they also have animation videos that you could choose from as well. And you could advertise your business on, the usual websites, Facebook, Instagram, freelance websites such as Fiverr and others, right? So the third one is acx.com. So on acx.com, you could become a reader or a narrator for an audiobook. And you could get passive income from just reading a book. So we all know that audiobooks are becoming quite popular. I mean, down to the Bible of audiobook. So I have this app that I my devotion on in the mornings. I think it's called, I don't remember. But anyways, it has an audio Bible attached to it. So if I don't want to physically be looking at the screen to be reading anything, I can just put it down and Bible reading to me. So it's the same way that this website works, where you would be the person who is actually reading the entire book. Or they could possibly have different characters depending on how they structure their thing, because they could have you could be one character while somebody else is another character, or you could just be the narrator for the book. So here's what you could do: the work once and get paid only once, or you have the option to choose. You could also have them pay you in royalties, which they call royalty shares, right? So you could be getting paid incrementally. You could be getting paid even years after you have done this audiobook. You could still be getting paid from it, from the royalties, right? So you have two options: get paid once or get paid in royalty shares. You can sign up and just create your profile. The audiobooks, they are sold on Amazon, iTunes, and Audible. Just look for the titles that are accepting auditions, and you just choose which one you would like to do. You might never know, you might just find one that wants a Jamaican accent. Just saying, I don't know. So the fourth one is snapwire.co. If you have a camera and it has excellent picture qualities, the pixel them turn up, you could consider taking photos and uploading them to snapwire.co. This is an easy way of making passive income on the internet while you sleep, while you work, while you do whatever you want to do. So you just upload your photos and they actually pay you for your photos. Thousands of people are on Snapwire every day looking for photos for their marketing campaign, their websites, for their graphs. So your photos can earn from as little as $10 to as much as $100, depending on the quality and the size of the photo. So once you upload a photo, it's there forever. There are actually 3 ways that you can make money on this website. First one is you could engage in challenges where you're asked to take picture of a particular thing, for example, the beach, mountainside, riverside, whatever it is that the particular challenge is asking. That is what you would have to produce to them. Second one is if you produce good quality photos and the purchasers love it, then you may make more commissions if they purchase more of your photos. Also, just keep uploading photos and build your portfolio, so at least if people see your high quality photos, they will just keep buying them. That will increase your income earning potential. When they purchase your photos, you can get 50% commissions. So the fifth one is YouTube. You could make passive income from YouTube. I can't tell you personally about that because my channel has not reached the potential that I know that it can, and it will. May I speak it into being? Yes. But I've been learning from others who have decided to start their channel, and they have shared their stories and shared how much they have been making and so on. You can always YouTube it. You can always search on the internet and see what other people have made from YouTube, and I'm sure if you have something worthwhile to share, something that is inspiring, something that will get people going, then I personally believe that you should start a YouTube channel. Actually, if you're shy and you don't feel like you want to be in front of the camera, that's alright. You can also do a faceless channel. Yes, so you can do a faceless channel where you can use clips, footages, animation, voiceover. You can do a lot of things that you really don't have to show your face. However, it's kind of a little bit risky because if your viewers are not able to see you, then they might not believe certain things that you're saying, and it just might not be as successful as one that has that people can recognize a face and put a name to the face and all of that. One where you show your face, it really builds your brand and let people know who you are, and they might want to stay with you a little longer and might be more engaged. So if you're gonna start a channel, you can decide what you want. I mean, you can still try the faceless, but just bear in mind that people might not be as engaged as they would if they saw your face. So I'm grateful, thankful that you have stayed with me to the end of this video. I want you to like, share, subscribe, tell your family, tell your friends, tell your cousin, tell your enemy, tell everybody about Shanice's YouTube channel. And as I always say, you know, I'm not gossiping, I'm not talking about anybody. I'm talking about myself. I'm talking about ways that you can make money online. I'm talking about building your business, building your brand, just becoming the best you. I mean, you're made for greatness, you know. You are made for greatness, right? So if you sit down and you're wondering what you can do next, just stay tuned to this channel and I'm sure something will resonate with you, right? So please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family. And last week I asked you to comment about my glasses. Now this week I'm asking you to tell me about my singing. What did you think about my Mariah Carey singing? Mariah Carey don't have nothing on me. Anyway, get your sofa clean with Safi Maintenance. Get your pimento powder from Flava Girl. Support these brands. Never give up. Keep pushing. Keep trying no matter how hard it gets. No matter how discouraging it gets. Keep pushing. Right? And remember, with God, all things are possible. See you next time. Bye.